Okay, bye-bye. I saw that. Oh, there's like 3 of them. Oh. Okay, I'm coming. I gotta walk up. I'm coming. I see the one and there's another in the tree. Hi. You need a treat? Are you looking? I see your little head popping up. Are you looking? Hopefully someone is. Let's see. Put it right here to the side. There we go. Did you see it? What about you? I hope you get it. Oh, you're gonna follow me over here? I left treats. Okay, I'll leave another. I hope you go back and get that though. Where's your friend going? I'll leave a small one here. Bye. Really? Oh, kitty, you bad kitty. Yeah, I see you. I already fed my friends. Here, I'll give you pets. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Okay, I gotta go. Yeah, I guess you're gonna follow. There's one of my crows. Oh, cat went away. Okay. Oh, there you are. Hi. Oh, good morning. Hi, guys. Here. There we go. Oh, 3 of you. Hi. I'll see you later. Good. There we go. Oh!
Hey.
Morning.
Hey, good morning.
Where are those chickens? There they are. All hanging out in the back. Okay, I'll see you later. I'm walking to the Dollar Tree and I heard a couple crows over this way. Oh, and there's our lovely painting. That thing looks good. Oh, there they are. Oh, one left. And there's another one right up there. I'm going to see about leaving this one a treat. Maybe the other one will come over. Let's see. I'm going to go over here. There's a car coming. once this car's out of the way, I'm gonna... there's more cars. So I see ya. Alright, well, I'll leave a treat right here at the corner. Just a small one. So we'll hope that they find it. Oh, there they are. Okay, see you later. And there you are. Go join your friend. I left a treat. Unless I should leave you one. I see. Oh, he's still sitting there. You still there? Hi. Okay, I'll leave you a treat too. I'll put it right there. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Okay. Hope they get it. They both got their own pile now. I don't see the one in the tree. He's still up there. Okay. I'm pretty sure the other one probably got the tree. Oh, it's near the guys. Ah. Well, they don't forget. They'll come back. Okay. I'm coming to bring these guys a treat. Hopefully the ones behind me come over. Hey, you. You needing a treat? Okay. I'll put one right here. So we got some friends. There you go. I'll go this way. Heading home on my walk now. Oh, someone got it. Okay. Good. There's a lot of kids in the parking lot, and some crows came to me over there, but I didn't want to stop right there, so I was like, I gotta get away from the school. Somewhere the crows can enjoy it too, and they won't be bothered. Okay, I'm coming to bring these guys a treat. Hopefully the ones behind me come over. Hey, you. You needing a treat? Okay. I'll put one right here. So we got some friends. There you go. I'll go this way. Heading home on my walk now. Oh, someone got it. Okay. Good. There's a lot of kids in the parking lot, and some crows came to me over there, but I didn't want to stop right there, so I was like, I gotta get away from the school. Somewhere the crows can enjoy it too, and they won't be bothered. Hey, you're late to the party. Okay, one second, I'm unzipping my treats. Gonna leave you something right here. There we go. Okay. Maybe your starling friend will get it first. He was making noise. There's another crow. Another starling. Right, go get it. Well, hopefully someone does. Oh, the boys are out. Hi there. How you doing? You being good? Everyone's so noisy today. What are you doing? They're just hanging out. Oh, there goes one.